Right then folks, going to make some adjustments to this workbench. Okay, we're also going to fit this bite. We're going to take this wood off and attach it directly using those lengths, which will butt up quite nicely to the back and offer more than enough room for the vise to open. So, but I'm going to put it on that side. But first, all this needs cleaning up. So. That one's going to go there, like so, and as you can see, we've got that gap there. So now we need to check these bolts. Yep, they go through. So the first thing that I need to do is clean these up. There's one done. And for the regular viewers, just to say, I'm now nearing the end of stuff that I can actually do to the Mondeo because it doesn't need anything more doing to it. There's a problem with the ambient temperature sensor, which I shall replace soon. And maybe at some point in time I'll change out the bearings, although the bearings at the moment seem pretty good. But no, I mean, it's not like at the moment, it just flies through the MOT, it's running well. No real complaints with it. But in the next few months there may be a brand new series coming on where I rebuild a house from scratch. A derelict house, install all the wiring, all the plumbing, the toilets, the stairs, put new roofs on, rebuild the walls. I'm going to have to get a professional plasterer in to do any plastering that I need doing, on the basis that I can't plaster. But yeah, that'll be a brand new journey.
with it.
Right, so you've seen me cut the pilot holes for all 4 of these. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to step it up on the drills and cut the holes to the size of these. I think that should do it, but I need to take it up in stages.